What's good? Listen, I just got my second client, right? And so he just started a plumbing company, okay? And so I plugged him into my lead gen site, $500 down, $750 a month for the next 6 months, okay? Listen, I'm bringing in about 80 calls and I'm still only ranking on page 2 and 3. I'm not even in the map pack yet, but I will get there. When I do, it's gonna blow up. But here's the beautiful kicker. Listen, after 6 months and he sees my results, we're jumping right back up to the $1,500 a month fee. Then, guess what? He wants to do lead gen sites in other locations. Studism is paid. He's okay with dropping 20, 30K on an SEO campaign, lead gen campaign. He told me, he's like, if you bring me the results, I'll cough up 30K, no problem. Like, I got offices all over the States. Like, this dude is huge. He has a huge restoration company. He just started his plumbing company. Like, listen, guys, don't get mad at your money. Like, did I want the $1,500 at first? Of course I did. I wanted that $1,500. But you know what? I understand the value of creating powerful results and allowing him the security of, you know what, I don't want to have this crazy overhead just in case. Because guess what? Once I start bringing him those crazy results, he's going to have no problem dropping down that dough. And here's the other thing. He has roofing companies, general contracting companies, all kinds of other companies, real estate, all of that. So right there, that dude, he's really a six-figure client right now. Right now, we're in the baby stages. We are in the infancy stages of massive results. And I'm okay with that. Like, listen, we sprouted out a money tree, but we started out with just the seed. Don't get mad at your money. Peace.
Keep on going. Don't give up. And even if you're not new and you're kind of in the middle, look, we all hit those times of hardships and disbelief and limiting beliefs, and I don't know if I can make it. I don't know if I can really make it to the end of the rainbow. Look, I'll tell you this. Look, there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You just got to keep searching. You just got to keep going. So I'm going to give you a quick story on a deal that I just struck with a local plumber, because I have a plumbing, my first lead gen. I had one company take my phone calls, and I totally undercut my prices on the value that I was bringing to the company. The company switched hands, and even that guy undervalued me. And it was kind of frustrating because I was like, man, I know I'm generating X amount of dollars for this plumbing company, and they're only giving me this amount, right? So I ran some Facebook ads towards the HVAC and plumbers, like you learned in the training with Corey Long. And so I had a phone call. He booked me through Calendly. This guy, he's hungry. He just dropped $70,000 on his plumbing business. You know, he has one truck and he wants to expand. He wants to really go. And so the first guy, you know what he was paying me? Right? When the company switched hands, I was trying to get it paid per call, per qualified call, for $40. Right? Guy ended up giving me this sob story of like, I'm so in debt, I can't really pay $40, and so I said, okay, 28, right? Using the lead value calculator. And he's like, can we do 25 for half a year? And then, you know, we bump it up $5 the next year. And I'm just like, you know what? I'm just not making it. Whatever. I'm going to keep you in place. You're my temporary renter, okay? And fine, cool, no worries. I'll let you, whatever. So I found this new guy. He gave me his debit card over the phone, okay? He gave me his card over the phone. He's ready to go. Ready to go. Like, he's thrilled and excited that I called him, right? So I'm going to give him the same deal that I was giving the other guy, but at a totally different price point, okay? He's going to get all the calls. I'm billing him once a week. And guess what I did, my guys? I jumped up massively. in the amount that I charge per qualified call. The other guy was only paying me $25 a call. This guy's gonna pay me $60 a call. That's right, you heard right. That means if he only gets 10 good calls in a week, that's $600 a week, right? 40 calls, right? We're being conservative. The lead gen generates anywhere from 100 to 120 phone calls every single month. So we're being very conservative. Let's say I'll only give you 40 good calls out of that lead gen a month. Right? Do the math. The math is just pretty much what it is. Okay? I'm just excited. about that because that's an amazing deal. So don't undercut your prices. You can get premium quality money for it. And the beautiful thing about this is this guy's going to jump on lead gen. He doesn't have a website yet. So guess who's going to build his website? I am, once he sees the value at it, right? Boom, $14.95. I'll build you an awesome website. That's going to be $1,500 in revenue right there. Then secondly, I say, hey, why don't I do the SEO? You're already bringing these calls. Look how amazing you're doing. Why don't I just do the SEO on the main website too, while you're also getting lead gen? Boom, that's going to be an extra $2K, because that's exactly what I'm going to charge them, right? So it's like, boom. Don't give up on yourself. And if you do disbelieve yourself, it's okay. Move up in there. I was there many times, but I know this is not a huge Corey Long deal or some of these other deals that like Abdul and these other guys are striking. But you know what? For me, it's a huge freaking win. It's a massive win, because to jump from 25 a call to 60 a call, like good calls, qualified calls. I mean, that's a massive difference, right? So, like, let's do the math. If you get 20 good calls every single week, that's 80 calls a month at $60 a pop. That's $1,200 a week, right? That's $2,400 every 2 weeks. That's $4,800 a month off of one lead gen. And he's going to be making astronomical numbers, like way above that. Right? But it's worth it. It's the value. Find someone that's hungry, that really wants the value of what you're offering, and you can, and really wants to pay you, right? Like value for value, equal exchange of energy. I'm going to give you value, and you're going to give me value. And that's the way that it works. Like, period. So anyways, this is my encouragement for you. If you're new to the game, hustle it out. Build those lead gens out. Just do it. Just do it. All right?